Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you this coquette type fish cake keychain going on here, and I thought it looked super cute and I just wanted to share it with you guys. I know it's been a while since my last upload, guys, but I've been working on a big project that I'm going to be releasing as soon as I can on here, so I'm pretty excited about it. But I wanted to just make a little something here and there to share with you guys. So let's just go ahead and jump right into this. For this project, you will need a lightweight white yarn and a lightweight pink yarn. I'm actually using this very light velvet yarn I actually bought from Shein. I will drop that in the description box for you guys if you're interested. You're also going to need a 2mm hook, scissors, pliers, a keychain, and ribbon if you want that bow. To begin our keychain, we're going to take our pink and white yarn, and of course our 2mm hook. And we're going to start by taking our white yarn and making a magic circle. If you don't know how to do that, I actually have a video right here that I'll tell you exactly how to do it. You're going to chain 1 to secure the magic circle, and then we're going to insert 10 double crochets. If you don't know how to do a double crochet, you yarn over and insert your hook into the circle, and then you pull through. Then you yarn over again and pull through 2 loops. And then you yarn over again, pulling through the remaining 2 loops, and we're going to repeat this 9 more times. Alright, so once you have those 10 double crochets, we are going to pull up a loop on our white so that we don't lose it. And then now we're going to grab our pink, and we're going to begin with a slip knot. We're then going to insert our hook into the same magic circle and secure it with a slip stitch. Now into the magic circle with your pink, you're going to insert 2 single crochets. You can now close up your magic circle and you now have a total of 12 stitches. So we're going to continue on with our pink here and making sure that you are inserting your hook into the very first stitch of the white. We're going to begin our next row. So for this row, we are going to put in 1 single crochet into the first stitch. And then in the next stitch, we are going to make an increase. We're going to repeat this a total of 3 times for a total of 9 stitches for the pink. We're then going to pull up our pink loop and switch back to white here. And now we're going to do the same thing but in double crochet. So in the first pink stitch, we're going to make 1 double crochet. And then in the next stitch, we're going to put our increase. We're going to do this a total of 3 times for a total of 9 white stitches, but a total of 18 total stitches. We're going to pull up our white loop again and switch back to pink, and we're going to begin our 3rd row. So to do that, we are going to put a single crochet into the first 2 stitches and then an increase into the 3rd, and we're going to repeat the sequence a total of 3 times, bringing our pink stitch total to 12. We're now going to switch back to white and do the same thing but in double crochet. So we're going to put a double crochet into the next 2 stitches and then an increase into the 3rd. Once again, repeating the sequence for a total of 3 times, for a total of 12 white stitches and a total of 24 total stitches. We're going to switch back to pink now, and for our final row, we are going to put a single crochet into the first 3 stitches, and then an increase into the 4th. We're going to repeat the sequence 3 times for a total of 15 stitches. We're going to switch now back to white, and we're going to put a double crochet into the first 3 stitches and then an increase into the 4th, repeating this 3 times for a total of 15 stitches on the white side and a total of 30 stitches. And that's what you should have so far. We're going to take it back to pink, and in the very next stitch, we are just going to fasten off with a slip stitch, cut off a short tail, and pull all the way through. Now you will be making 2 of these pieces, and I already went ahead and made the first one. So if you're on your first one, you're going to just chain 1, and then you're going to cut a short tail and just pull all the way through like that. But since I'm on my second piece, I'm actually going to keep it attached. And now I'm going to line up my 2 pieces so that the pinks line up with each other and the whites line up with each other. So to make our scalloped edge, we're going to yarn over and stick our hook into the next stitch on one piece and into the same stitch on the other piece. And we're going to make a double crochet. We're then going to make 2 more double crochets into the same stitches. Now in the next stitch of both sides, we're going to just make 1 single crochet. Then in the next stitches, we're going to stick our hook through both sides and put in 3 double crochets. And once again, through the next stitches, we're just going to put 1 single crochet. And we're just going to repeat this all the way around, and I'll meet you back when we get to the beginning. Now that we've reached the beginning, we're just going to go through both sides and finish off with a slip stitch. We're then going to cut off a little tail and pull all the way through. And then we're just going to thread our needle and just put it through the center and then tuck it in with the back side of our needle. Next, we're going to grab our keychain and our pliers, and we're going to begin by opening up the jump ring here. You could do it with either your fingers or your pliers. When you've decided where you want the keychain to hang from, we're then going to grab our crochet hook and we're going to insert it in the stitch we want to put on our keychain. We're just going to stretch it out a little bit, and it'll make it a lot easier for the jump ring to be inserted. And if you don't want the bow, you're just going to close up the jump ring now and it still looks super cute. But if you do want a bow, you're just going to tie one out of nice pink ribbon like this, and we're just going to slide the middle knot through the jump ring, and then we'll close it up. So here's our finished product. We have our new Coquette Fish Cake keychain, and it looks so cute, and I hope you guys enjoyed this small tutorial, and I hope you guys stay tuned for any updates that are coming soon to this channel. Thank you guys so much for supporting me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!